fine day as I was walking down the street, spied a beggar man with rags upon his feet. Took a penny from my pocket, in his tin cup I did drop it. And I heard him say as I made my retreat, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. He said it, yes he did. May an elephant caress you with its hose. May your wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. My laundryman is really on his toes. Found $100 bill among my clothes. When he called me, I came running, gave him back his dime for phoning. And I heard him saying as I turned to go, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. You guys are late again. We're gonna do this every time I sing this number. Now get together. 1, 2, 3. May your wife be plagued with runners in her hose. Now you got it. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. I was way behind one day to catch a train. The taxi driver said, we'll make it just the same. A speed cop made it with us, and as he wrote out the ticket, I stood by politely waiting for my change and said to him, may the bird, you guys are late again, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. That's better. May an elephant caress you with its toes. Are you as tired of this song as I am? Now I'm playing with runners. You don't even know my wife. So I said, may the bird of paradise fly up your nose. You take the cab. I'm walking. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose.
Would you dance with a man who used to be handsome, used to be dashing, used to be brave? Now he isn't so old, but somehow he's slipping. Still, he's got something someone could save. Would you dance with a man who used to be lucky, the life of the party, loaded with verve? Yeah. Well, now he's stuck in a rut down at the office, drinking his lunches, walking a treadmill, and losing his nerve. Would you dance with a man who watches old movies, dreams about glory, longs for the sea? Well, if you fancy a man who used to be handsome, a man who used to be fearless and free, well, then this is the time, if ever there was one, to look for the man who was me. Would you dance with a man who watches old movies, a man who dreams about glory, longs for the sea. Well, if you fancy a man who used to be handsome, man who used to be fearless and free, then this is the time, if ever there was one, to look for the man who was me.